here's my PS2. Me trying to open it. As you can see, the cover's already off. If I get radiation, that sucks. You have to have a lot of patience to do this, you guys. As you can see, it is incredibly dusty in here. Right here is where it spins. The lens. Wow. This is the second time I've ever opened my PS2. The first time wasn't a good time. Just a minute, I have to get some rubbing alcohol. Oh, do we have rubbing alcohol? Okay, this has alcohol, and if it works, I'm freaking lucky. This is called Zep 40. And I have these things right here. I'm a little nervous about it, but here we go. It has alcohol in it, so it probably will work. If it doesn't work, I'm screwed. And I'm out of a PS2. Just randomly cleaning off some of it, because this part of the PS2 hasn't been open for over about 2 years now. Look at how dark this is. Disgusting. Should I close it or keep it open? I don't know. But part 2 will be the closing of the PS2. Ready? Bye-bye.